Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we'll talk a little bit about how to create the main character or the protagonist for your story. You are starting with a blank slate. You can create any character you want. It's great to have that kind of freedom, but it can be overwhelming. The best starting point is the premise of your story, the one sentence that describes what your story is about. This should always be some kind of journey. Your character starts over here and ends up over here. So let's say you're writing a story about a rich man who learns how to be a good person. From that sentence alone, we know 3 things about our character. He's a man, he's wealthy, and he's not a good person. We can expand on each of these ideas, and this is where I find mind mapping very useful. We know he's a man, but what age is he? What does he look like? Does he have a wife, a husband, kids, siblings? He's wealthy, but how? Was he born into wealth? Did he inherit money? Did he acquire his wealth? If so, how did he acquire it? What is his line of work? Has he made any enemies in the process? And he's not a good person. Just remember, good and bad exists in almost everyone, and if you make a character all good or all bad, they will come across as one-dimensional and unrealistic. So list the bad stuff, but also consider the good stuff. Each of these bubbles becomes something you can expand on. Not all of it will make it into your story, but you have to know who the character is. And you'll continue to learn things about the character as you're writing the story. It's like getting to know a real person. We never know someone completely, but we learn little things about them, even when we've known them for years. Once you have your main character down, you can use the same process to flesh out your other characters. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.